Hi everyone, it's Miss Kaufman. It is week 2 of our assignments. Last week was very simple, so if you haven't done those assignments, please do it. It will take you less than 20 minutes. And the only reason that it's going to be so long is because we have one video that's about 11 minutes long. So please go fill out, go to Google Classroom, fill those out. If I haven't heard from you, I'm sure that Mr. Knoll or Miss Whitaker or Miss Torres has gotten a hold of you. This week, we're going to do 3 assignments, and it's going to be on acceleration. So look for that out tomorrow and tonight on Sunday. So tomorrow's the 6th. This is the 5th that I'm talking. It was super rough on me last week, just being organized, getting my son organized, and then just being out of the routine and not in a very good routine. This week, the weather is going to be gorgeous. 73, 80, and 80 on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. A little windy on Wednesday. So enjoy the weather. The one plus of our quarantine. All right. See ya.